Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start a topic that is gross and net concepts of domestic product. We are going to measure the domestic product on basis of gross and net value. You know what is a gross value, you know what is a net value. Now we'll measure it. But before measuring it, first let me tell you what is domestic product. It is sum total of money value of final goods and services produced within an economic territory. That means all the goods and services which are producing within our economic territory done by all the producers in the economy on an aggregate is called domestic product. And you know that domestic product is equal to income because as the production is done, that is done by hiring the factors of production, and factors of production are given in return the income. Okay, so domestic income ultimately is equal to the domestic product because the product production leads to income generation only. Now, talking about measuring the domestic product, we'll measure it on two bases. First, we will measure, I'll write in short DP, domestic product. We'll measure it gross and we'll measure it net. You know the gross meaning? It means actual value without any deductions, and net means value after deductions. At this point, I insist you to watch previous video to understand the net and gross concepts. Okay, so measuring domestic product at gross value, when we measure it, it is known as gross domestic product, and when we measure it at net, it is known as net domestic product. These are two aggregates which we will be studying in this chapter, but not at this point. At this point, what is necessary for you to understand is how the value of gross is converted to net and how the value of net is converted to gross. This I have explained also in my previous videos, but we'll see again. Okay, so as I have told that gross, when we measure it at gross level, it is called gross domestic product. Now it has become the actual value of domestic product produced within the economic territory, and it is the net value of the domestic product produced within the economic territory. Okay, now how to convert if gross value of domestic product is given to net value of domestic product? See, when we convert the gross value of domestic product, you know, it is gross domestic product and this is net domestic product. So first we will understand how to convert gross to net. For this, I'll take an example. You have purchased a new bike, for example, and that bike cost you around rupees 40,000. Okay, now this 40,000 rupees bike is further sold to a next person. So whenever you will sell this 40,000 rupees bike to next person, the value of 40,000 will not be the same because this is a capital asset, 40,000 in which you have invested. Now this asset will start to depreciate, and whenever you sell it, it will have some depreciation in it. So you will deduct that depreciation minus the depreciation. मान लेते हैं depreciation is around rupees 5,000, तो 5,000 का depreciation इसमें minus हुआ. Now the bike is of 35,000 only. Now this is your value which is after the depreciation, and this is your value which is before the depreciation. Okay, so simple thing you have understand this in this, that if you have to find out the gross value or find out the net value, the only difference is of depreciation. So for finding out the gross net value, you have to deduct the depreciation and you will get to net value, and again vice versa, you can say net, you will add this depreciation mathematically and you will get the gross value. Simple as that. Okay, so this is a small relation which you have to understand, and all the details of this relation is being taught in previous chapter. Now this gross domestic product measurement, net domestic product measurement, we can easily convert the GDP value into NDP value. Okay, like this, I'll show you. Now if in the question it is asked to find out NDP value, GDP value is given. Now what you have to do, for example, it is given rupees 5,000 and depreciation value is given. One more name of depreciation I have told you, it is also called consumption of fixed capital, as you remember it. Okay, so GDP value is given 5,000 and depreciation is rupees 1,000. You have to find out NDP value. So simply what you have to do, you have to GDP, you have to deduct the depreciation, and then will get NDP, because in this case you are going from a gross value thing to a net value thing. Simple as that. So for converting gross to net, you have to deduct the depreciation. तो 5,000 में से हम लोग माइनस कर देंगे 1,000 and you will get how much? 4,000. This will be the value of NDP. Simple. Okay, so this is the basic concept, and if you have to revert it, you can easily do it by adding out the NDP, adding out the depreciation to NDP, and you will get the value of GDP. Simple. Acha sir, whether it is possible to measure it at income level also? At income level, I mean to say that when you are given at national level, simple, at national level means डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट है तो क्या नेशनल प्रोडक्ट नहीं कह सकते? बिल्कुल कह सकते हैं. और जब नेशनल प्रोडक्ट है तो इसको भी मेजर किया जा सकता है दो फॉर्म्स में. यू कैन मेजर इट ग्रॉस बेसिस, यू कैन मेजर इट नेट बेसिस. ग्रॉस बेसिस पे मेजर करेंगे इट विल बिकम GNP, नेट बेसिस पे मेजर करेंगे इट विल बिकम NNP. ओके, नाउ यू डोंट वरी अबाउट व्हाट इज GNP, व्हाट इज NNP, व्हाट इज GDP. यू डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट फॉर टाइम बिंग. यू ओनली अंडरस्टैंड इन दिस टॉपिक कि कैसे हम ग्रॉस वैल्यू को नेट वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, चाहे वो डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट के केस में हो और चाहे वो नेशनल प्रोडक्ट के केस में हो. नॉट मोर देन दैट. ये सारे एग्रीगेट GDP, GMP, MP, GNP, NNP, ये सब मैं आपको समझाऊंगा इन द अपकमिंग वीडियोस. डोंट वरी विद दैट. सो ओनली व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, ग्रॉस से नेट पे जाना है. द सेम थिंग, you will minus the depreciable value, and for coming back from net to gross, you will add up the depreciation value. There is no change in this case also.